Hi. This is a Roxy fashion pack from Walmart. Look at these English. These come in Ziploc little bags. Nice. That is very nice. There's Barbie on the front of the plastic bag in pink. Oh, it comes with a hanger. Let me see. Can I take it off? As far as I can tell, no, you cannot. So we'll be zipping this up later. Put that over with her. I decided why not use a visor on her. Yeah. Hello. Let's try the paper later on. Sorry about the falling so much, but this should be level, but I think I figured out how to do. No. So this nice and messy. Okay. Now I will be unboxing the next thing. Oh, that visor is mint with a white love heart, and it has a paper airplane look and eyes. It's not the best way it's looking. Let's look at it. Now for this bag, it says Roxy in pink as palm trees in black, a yellow and a pink bottom and blue. Let's see if this could, maybe not the shoes, but maybe the visor. No, not that. That is no, on to the next one because all I'm doing is cutting. This doll comes with blue glasses, but you see these are glasses that are pink with loves. Ta-da! They fit. Now, here is a yellow headband for her to wear. Here are her arms, shoes, flip-flops. Let's see. Yep. Oof. They do fit her a little. Pretty to fit. Now Here is a blue bottle, sunscreen bottle. Roxy mental green or aqua. Turquoise, here a sun with a smiley face. Magenta pink, and it says 50. Now let me put this in here. And then here is a pink lollipop, see-through one. Here is a light orange swimsuit with sunglasses, blue lens sunglasses with white and white Roxy printed. What the doll looks like in the swimsuit. This Barbie dress has blue, pink, and lime stripes with a white background. Pink love hearts. Now let's see it on the doll. Here's what she looks like. This is what it looks like in the back. With this dummy thing. Opens on its own and it's blue and orange handbag. This is a see-through visor. It's a pink camera. Here are pink sandals. This is squishies and the other plastics and lavender catsuit. There's a yellow pastel yellow bracelet and mint headphones, as you can see, and gold sunglasses. Another sunscreen with a sun, and it has a smiley face, pink lipstick, orange, yellow background. It says Vow or something, scribble on the bottom, and it's orange. Here's her paper passport. And then finally her paper mask. Now back over here we go. Since we got the bag, let me try to fit as much as I can. Sunscreen most likely goes in there. Passport goes there. And I guess if you wanted to, the shoes could go in there. Not really. Yeah, no shoes. The shoes can stay on her feet. Now that we've tried everything on her, let me try take her glasses off and try the mask. The mask is the last thing I need to try on her. please do the regular stuff you do on YouTube. Bye.